You will eat sinugba or not?
Yeah, I'm not hungry.
So you will not eat.
I will diet.
So, Dobro, bantay, I will see you eating, ha? For example, guys, like this. Oh, dali na, bamalit na mo pa. For your information, guys, the only for sale here is the pork chop, not me, because I'm already sold out. Sold out! Welcome back to this channel, and for today's video we will go for panyangge, guys, with Nanay Nelly. Hi, Nay!
Hi!
Apa sila pork chop? Basta kayo masugba. Sige. Okay ra na, kana. Anya. Sa gula. Pila man. See. Dayon. Right now, guys, we will go buy banana for Sofia because, as you know, that she likes banana so much. Banana girl. Home already, guys. I don't know where is Nanay. So here's the meat. It's already prepared. Everything is prepared. This is a onion and garlic, and then calamansi, and then pepper and salt. So everything is prepared. I just need to mix. And we will just add some vinegar para mawala ang langsa. So the pictures of Sofia, guys, that I mentioned on my last vlog is already here. She's very cute, guys. Wow! See? So, Nay, awan na lang tawa sa Nay. Gang, lang tawa sa gang. The picture arrived yesterday night, like it's already late, so I saw this earlier in the morning. Nantawa, dali mo dere. Gano sila, maulaw pag gano sila. Muna yung mga Charlie's Angel. Hawa. Wow! May ganyan, oh? May ganyan? Wow! Good girl! Wala pa siya kaya nag-smile dere, oh?
Baby Santa!
Hindi siya, oh? Wow, who is that? Hindi na siya. Lagi. So, if... Okay, Ranay. So, if you want to see our pictures, guys, just follow on my Instagram, Heidi Rodriguez. I will just put the link on my video. So, see? Nice. It can be focused. Oh. See? So, let's go. We will make grilled na. Sofia, come here. Sige na. Try. Oh. Yay! Okay, magsugba na ta. Ayaw gani kay dako na ning sugbahanan. Kaya nakasulay magugog barbecue sa una nga kanang mamaligya nga pahirap oil niya. Daghanon pa siya oil hantod nga mukusog ng kalayugang blipaya pa na ako kay dali maluto bali pagura di ay. Ya di biya to amo. Oh, tinslok niya. Di biya to amo kay sa customer biya to. Oo. Sinugba is one of the favorite of my husband, like Filipino food. And when his family visit here in Philippines, I make sugba for them in our house in Pamplona, and they really like it. They even asked me to make for them again. Ipakita akong baligya. It's okay, Sofia. Tawar ko, Sofia. Haggard na. Na lang. Guys, because before, when I was still staying in Leyte, I think I was still elementary that time, and they have business, this store, and at night we have this barbecue business, and then it's actually business of the sister of my grandma, which is also my grandma. And yeah, every night we do like this, and there's a lot of people coming in and trying to buy our barbecue or for some chika-chika chismis, because we live in lungsod, like crossing only in our poblacion. For example, guys, like this. Oh, dali na, pamalit na mo ha. Ay, wag yun mo palit. Wag mo anhis balay. Hala, pautang na lang, ikaw ganahan ka. Camera girl, dali ka, ipautang na lang na akong nini mo. For your information, guys, the only for sale here is the pork chop, not me, because I'm already sold out. Grabe. Super intense di ay. Para lami ang sinugba. Masayawan na natong para. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Grabe. Grabe, guys. I'm still fresh. Wala naman, imaho na dyan ang sinugbaan. Diba? Fresh. Pasada ng fresh. Sugba. Wow! Oopsie. And guys, another round. So last two. And last one. This one is almost cooked. This one is pagod already. This one is already burned, guys. Let's continue. What? Có hầm chưa mà good? Not so. There is corn there.
Co?
There is corn. Sinugba.
What?
Sinugba. Kaon na. Daj buzi.
Kosz mnie? You angry, co?
I'm not angry.
You angry, I see.
No. I'm too beautiful to be angry.
Wow! You angry.
What?
Presentowanie.
For what?
Kochana, kochana.
Okay. Sige na. Bye-bye.
And then, kuan?
You will eat sinugba or not?
Yeah, I'm not hungry.
So you will not eat.
I will diet.
So dobra, bantay, I will see you eating, ha? Ha. Finish cook my sinugba. And it's time for the sauce. So there is already tomato and onion here. It's sliced. And we will add soy sauce. Soy sauce. And then it's up to you guys, ha? If how do you like to taste your sauce? If more vinegar or more soy sauce? So for me, it's a little bit of vinegar only. So voila! And it's ready. Dandararan! Pangauna mo! The perfect pe. Hi. I'm not sure if my husband will eat this because as you've seen in my vlog earlier, that he will not eat the sinugba because he got pizza. As you remember guys that I told you on my last vlog that me and my husband is not in good term until now, I think. Because for me, I'm okay. And then, yeah, he told me that he will not eat the sinugba, that he will eat pizza. So, never mind. But he told me that later he will try to eat. We will see. So, mga una tagang, I will just taste this, okay? And then, it's time to take care of my daughter, guys. I didn't slice this because kami-kami lang naman dito sa bahay. Let's eat, guys, ha?
Decorate that.
Dilawin. Kanila. That's it guys, this is the end of our video today and thank you for watching and sticking with me through our sinugba journey. So see you in my next vlog. Don't forget to follow my Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube channel. So see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.